Integrity triumphs over deception. Mr. Ash Mufareh dared to dream of ethical change. He envisioned a business built on love instead of profit. His lifelong dream fused compassion with visionary innovation. With unwavering courage, he stepped into uncertain ventures. His vision resonated with dreamers yearning for sincere reform. Many businesses deceived with bait and switch, leaving hearts disappointed. Consumers faced misleading promises that masked hidden recurring fees. Legal battles and losses plagued. Deceptive companies relentlessly. Mr. Mufareh witnessed these tactics with unwavering disillusionment. His heart compelled him to choose a higher purpose. Deception had tainted promises, leaving scars on hopeful hearts. Ruthless tactics exploited trust, eroding dreams without remorse. Yet, his resolve burned brighter than the darkest deceit. He saw a path where transparency reigns, lifting spirits. Determined, he built a revolutionary platform with transparent values. His company empowers people, revitalizing dreams and authentic growth. Members join a movement that celebrates integrity and transformation. He promised to prioritize humanity over money without compromise. Every decision reflects his belief that all deserve truth. Embracing resistance, he transformed challenges into inspiring progress. Every setback fueled his passion to rebuild ethical practices. His breakthrough platform bridges dreams and honest achievement. Inspire your journey. Embrace a future shining with truth. In his company, radiant hope eclipses all darkness. A united community ignites a powerful movement for change. Every heart beats in rhythm with the promise of transparency. Our legacy blossoms with every sincere, honest act. Today, his platform stands as a beacon for ethical revolution worldwide. Embrace change. Invest in truth. Now, believe. Stand with us, for integrity transforms tomorrow. Thirsting for success amid endless failure? In a digital desert where countless dreams have withered away, disappointed entrepreneurs find themselves stripped of time and money. Nearly 98% have seen their efforts crumble. Their hopes evaporated under the relentless heat of a marketplace where risk and uncertainty rule. As opportunity dwindles and desperation mounts, the barren landscape of failed ventures leaves behind echoes of regret. In this pervasive despair, every step forward feels like a battle against insurmountable odds. Entrepreneurs face legal challenges, lack of market need, and overwhelming financial strain. The relentless pressure and rapid failures have made the harsh reality inescapable, and many have resigned, their vision clouded by the harsh lessons of the past. But just when darkness appears unending, a glimmer of hope emerges in the distance. Enter Mr. Ash Mufareh's groundbreaking company, an oasis amid the desolation. Born from compassion and fueled by the genius of innovative AI and machine learning, his platform promises to do the business for you. With a state-of-the-art system designed to eliminate risk and restore confidence, this is more than a company. It is a lifeline for the struggling majority. Its promise is clear: to transform relentless failure into lasting success, offering a trusted path to renewal. Feel the surge of hope as despair subsides and possibilities blossom anew. Let the promise of innovation revive your entrepreneurial spirit. When every failed venture tells a story of loss, Mr. Ash Mufareh redefines the narrative with his visionary platform. Discover hope, embrace success. Let his revolutionary vision restore your trust and forever redefine your bright future. Imagine a future of limitless possibilities. Mr. Ash Mufareh stands at the helm of change with his innovative new company. Driven by visionary leadership and powered by breakthrough technology, he is set to redefine success. With his talented technology teams creating applications that streamline business and empower entrepreneurs, his approach merges financial success with heartfelt generosity. At the core of this groundbreaking journey lies an unwavering commitment to uplift communities. In a world where wealth often divides, Mr. Mufareh chooses to share his riches, placing loyal founders and affiliates in the most treasured positions imaginable. He believes leadership is nothing about you, it's mostly about others, inspiring those around him to initiate change rather than whine about obstacles. In September 2025, join us for a global corporate webinar revealing the next generation of digital innovation and business automation. Witness firsthand how artificial intelligence can transform everyday challenges into opportunities for prosperity and family success. Every detail echoes his promise to create opportunities that empower millions while uplifting the lives of countless individuals. This movement champions a balanced path where success meets compassion and where each founder is not just a stakeholder, but a valued partner in transforming lives. With bold vision and genuine care, Mr. Mufareh's new venture is more than a company. It is a revolution in leadership and a testament to what can happen when ambition meets selfless giving. Be part of this transformative journey. Embrace innovation, ignite your dreams, and help elevate communities worldwide. Join the webinar and change your future forever. Embrace this moment. Join us now to change the world.